Mastering estate planning, tips for securing your assets and ensuring peace of mind. Estate planning is like creating a roadmap for your assets and belongings. It's about ensuring everything you've worked hard for is protected and distributed according to your wishes. Whether you're young or old, single or married, having an estate plan is essential for securing your assets and ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Begin by taking inventory of all your assets, including property, investments, bank accounts, retirement accounts, insurance policies, and personal belongings. Make a list of everything you own and estimate their values. Familiarize yourself with common estate planning documents such as wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and advance directives. These professionals can provide valuable advice, answer your questions, and help you navigate the intricacies of state laws and maximizes tax efficiency. Designate beneficiaries for your assets and appoint an executor to fulfill your wishes after you're gone and who is trustworthy, competent, and willing to fulfill their duties responsibly. Consider incorporating long-term care planning into your real estate planning strategy. These costs can be significant and may jeopardize your assets if not properly addressed. Explore options such as insurance, Medicaid planning, and setting aside funds for potential healthcare needs. Discussing your estate plan with family members, heirs, and beneficiaries can help prevent misunderstandings, conflicts, or surprises down the road. By involving your loved ones in the planning process ensures everyone is on the same page and your wishes are respected. Life is unpredictable and circumstances can change over time. Don't keep your estate plan a secret and communicate your wishes and intentions to your loved ones openly and honestly.